Hi everyone. So let's today talk about complex number. So complex number is a beautiful number that helps us to find out the solution of a polynomial equation. Means any type of polynomial equation, and if you have a real number as well as complex number, then you can easily find out the solution. But if you do not have a complex number and you want to find out the solution of polynomial equation in any degree, then it may be some chance that in some degree of polynomial you cannot have a solution or real solution. So this number is really important for us for finding the solution, as well as there is a wide application of this number. Okay, so before I start, I would like to give you some historical aspect of that number, and how the number came into existence and what is the state of development of that number. So the first time, because you know very well that the Greek is very good for developing a number system. So let's start from here. So Greek suggested initially that uh, there is the square root of negative number does not exist in real number system. So this one is given by the uh, Greek. And next mathematician came into existence. That one is an Indian mathematician named called Mahavira in 1850. In Ganit Sar Sangra, he write it down in that book. There is a no natural things which square is negative quantity, and we can see here example there is a no existence of such type of number. Next mathematician came into existence. That one is the Bhaskara, and in his book Bijganita, he was write it down that book on approx 1150, and in this book he was written there that there is a no square root of negative quantity. Means there is no solution of such type of equation like root under -7 have no any answer, exact answer. Next mathematician came, that one is of Catron, and approx in 1545 finding the solution of some equation like this: x plus y equal to 10 and x into y equal to 14, and he find a solution like this and this. They fit into that equation, but actually there is no such thing existence or came into existence at that moment of time. That's why this solution is called by himself as a useless solution. But that's okay at that time. Next, that Albert Girnal first time suggested that it may be the chance that we do not have any idea about that negative of a complex number, but still it may be that have a capability to find out the solution. And this thing is happened, and later on, Euler come with symbolic notation for the negative number of a square root. That one is denoted by iota, and you can see this formula very frequently used in mathematics. Later on, W.R. Hamilton first time make a very precise definition of a complex number. And if any number which is written down in form of a plus ib, where a and b comes from the real number, then such type of number is called complex number. Okay, one more thing important is here is that every real number is a complex number, but every complex number is not a real number. Example, like if you have a 3 by 4, it's a real number, no doubt, but you can easily write down this number in imaginary form: 3 plus 4 by plus 0 I, and this one is also complex number. So, complex number and real number have a relationship like all real number, which is a subset of complex number. And later on, precisely if you see that there is a two number, we have real number as well as complex number. If you have a bundle, if you have a bag of real number and complex number, and you want to find out the solution of any degree of a polynomial equation, then you can easily find out. If you have no number, uh, like real number and complex number, then it's very difficult for you to find out the solution of any degree of polynomial equation. And I already told you earlier that Quantum mechanics have a very wide application of this number iota or imaginary number unrelated concept. So, especially quantum mechanics using a very wide range of complex number and related concept. So, this subject can be understood by the help of imaginary number, because in you know very well that in quantum mechanics we have a very probabilistic type of solution is there, and still not totally support the quantum mechanics, but yeah, still there is a number and there is application. And quantum gravity nowadays is very frequently used, and because this one is comes from that one, that's why obviously this number is also, or this topic is also used complex number. And both, if you combine both of subject together, then there is a wide application in cosmology, and people are doing a lot more research by the help of that cosmology. And thank you so much everyone